Hey moms, juggling work and family can feel impossible, right? But what if I told you that you can earn daily pay, which is 2 hours a day, from your cell phone? It's called passive daily pay. But you're probably wondering or asking, surely, but what is passive income really? Well, guys, it's money you earn regularly with little to no daily effort after the initial setup. And this is how it works, guys. Think of it as planting a tree, right? You invest time and effort initially, and then it keeps providing for you. This is exactly what my program offers. This is exactly what passive daily pay is, guys. I was cooking dinner for my son, and I got this. Imagine the freedom that you'll have. You'll be able to enjoy every precious moment with your kids while still earning. There's more time for play. There's more time to deal with tantrums. There's more time to take vacation. Build those unforgettable memories with your kiddos, right? All while your income keeps flowing in. Our proven system will guide you through setting up these passive income streams, guys. It's helped so many moms, including myself, to find the balance of earning income and being able to do fun things with the people we love the most. So if you want to see how it can change your life too, and if you are ready to turn your dreams of more family time and financial freedom into reality, then I would like you ready in the comments, and I'll absolutely love to share more information with you.